Most people get this wrong. They think Coast to Coast Pay is just a payday loan service. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it's evolved into a versatile financial platform that offers early wage access, flexible payment options, and spending insights to help you stay in control of your money. Here's how it works. Coast to Coast Pay lets you access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. This can cover unexpected bills, emergencies, or urgent purchases without turning to high-interest credit cards. Certain transactions can also be split into smaller installments, making budgeting simpler and less stressful. The app is clean and easy to use. Dashboards display advances, upcoming payments, and total spending. Push notifications remind you of due dates, helping you avoid late fees and stay on top of your finances. The downside, overuse can lead to fees and higher costs, so it's important to use Coast to Coast Pay strategically rather than frequently. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances you can realistically repay. 2. Keep notifications on to track repayment schedules. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on the app. Who benefits most? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or flexible payment options. Users with irregular income or poor repayment discipline may find fees outweigh convenience. In conclusion, Coast to Coast Pay in 2026 is practical, flexible, and user-friendly, but only if used responsibly. Treat it as a temporary aid, track spending, and plan repayments carefully. Subscribe for honest app reviews and actionable money tips.